using this will never record anything straight to the computer. You will always have your external hard drive, which you can hook up right here in front, okay? And that will be your own personal storage space. Nothing ever gets saved onto the computer. And if it does, it will be wiped out every week. So nothing that you save will be on here for more than a week. And we just tell you not to save it just so you don't lose anything anyways. Okay, so we're armed for record. And now, to begin recording, you will just simply press record button. Adobe makes it so easy. And now I'm recording, and you can tell I'm recording because of the level that's right here. So you can see that I'm recording, I have stuff going, blah, 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 and I will stop recording right there. Now, you can push the space bar to stop recording, or you can just hit stop. I hit the space bar because it's so much easier. It's just second nature to me, but the space bar is usually the fastest way to stop recording. Now, let's say I want to listen to it back. Make sure our volume is up here. And then again, you can just hit the space bar again to play back your recording. And now I'm recording. And you can tell I'm recording because of the level that's right here. So you can see that I'm recording, I have stuff going, blah, 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 and I will... Okay, so there, that was recorded. Now, I don't like that. It was terrible, it was awful. Right-click on it, and then just hit delete. And it's gone. From there, I'll also close that file, just so there's nothing else on there. Okay, so that's just, I wanted to record my voice, okay, and I recorded my voice. Now, what most of you guys will be doing live shows using a combination of CDs and your voice. So I'm going to take you really quickly through how to use this board onto here. And it's simple because all you're doing, and it's all going to be going into one track. You don't have to worry about multiple tracks for this because the board is actually considered part of this. It's all going through the board, so you don't have to worry about separating tracks. Okay, your voice, the music, it's all being mixed in the board and being sent straight to this track. So, to start out with, I have two CDs. I have Ted Hawkins and Marty Jones, whoever they are. They just happen to be in the lab at the time. You'll have your own CDs. And so we'll just make sure that our channels are on CD, which they are, channel 1 and channel 2. These represent the two CDs, okay? There's a fader here that, of course, you can go all the way to the left with it or all the way to the right with it for the CDs. But for your purposes, I wouldn't be messing with this too much because all it does is confuse you on what's going on. Just make sure that you know when your CD starts and when the next one is supposed to start. So I'm going to hit play. And this song, I think, really has a long intro. So, but there again, okay, you can hear what I'm talking about, sort of, with the, of course I haven't hit record yet, but let me hit record. Okay. So, I'm going to turn the mic on. That way nobody can hear, or you can't hear the mic now. So I'm recording, and of course the headphones, I can hear what's going on. Now, because I don't really know and I don't care what the song is about, we're going to go ahead and speed it up. If you're so inclined, this is the way to fast forward through a disc. Just turn this wheel. Okay. And you'll hear the song go, 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 go. Okay. Now, I'm going to do just a normal little segue, okay, into the next song. So, this is how we'll segue. .5 FM, the D Zone. That was Marty Jones with Breaking Glass. She likes to break glass, and I don't know why. I don't know who loves it. But coming up now is Ted Hawkins. His song Strange Conversations. It's going on right now on 89.5 FM, the D Zone. And the song isn't playing. Okay, well, in a perfect world, that song would play. But it is. I just didn't hear it in the headphones. Okay, so that was a simple segue, and all I did was just make sure that this song was just over, and then as soon as it was over, I started talking over the end of it, and then I started talking into the beginning of the next song. So I just pushed pause on that song to make sure that next track didn't play, and then I just hit the next play on there. So, as you saw, it all went right into this track. Okay? So, I want to listen to the whole track, and I want to see it all. I can do one of two things. I can come up here to the very top, and I can turn that down. And all the way till I see everything. Okay? Or, what I can do is come down here to the zoom, and I can select zoom to select, or excuse me, there should be a zoom to fit. There it is. Okay, so you saw that it gave me a little more on the track side. I didn't want that, but we'll live with that for now. So let's say that I want to listen to it back, and here it is. Let's do it again. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see, this song made it on. Okay. And we'll go ahead and fast forward it a little bit to the end here. Of course, you can hear everything that you do on this board translates into there. So obviously you know that if you fast forward through a part of the song, you can hear it on your track. And of course, this is just an introduction to how to basically use the equipment. When you come in with me later and we train, 89.5 FM, the D zone, and that was Marty Jones with Breaking Glass. She likes to break glass, and I don't know why. He loves it. But coming up now is Ted Hong, Strange Conversations, going on right now, 89.5 FM, the D zone. And of course, you heard the song start. Okay, so basically that is how you record using this board. I mean, it's really straightforward and simple. It just translates straight from this board right to here. Like I said, when we actually start getting into the fine points of it, I'll show you how to edit. I'll show you how to layer in multiple tracks. Yeah, you could just get deeper and deeper in track. Audition really opens up a lot of doors. There's ways for me to bring in an MP3 to play underneath stuff, bring in sound effects, and so much more. So when you do come into this lab, and I can show you how to use the rest of it, it will be exciting. I guarantee you right now, Audition will change your life. But that's just the basics. That can get you going and up and making air checks for our internet radio station. So this has been the RTV 11 lab instructional period. Thank you for coming to my lab, and I hope to see you soon.